Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jamie Palmer and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer 7.0. So I'm back on the wine again. A lot of people commented on my video yesterday that I wasn't drinking any wine. So yeah, I'm back on the Zinfandel Rosé, which I absolutely love. So hold on. So I've currently got some sales right now on GPUSD, okay? Now this is a beautiful setup. So you can see the MACD and RSI has gone overbought. Okay, now I've gone for, if you've noticed, a more extreme overbought and oversold level. So a 90 and a 10. The logic behind this one is the more extreme these levels are, the more overextended the market is. Okay, so you can see here we're definitely overextended right now on GPUSD. We've popped a signal. Okay, and we're also at a nice little resistance area. Not the best, but I can definitely see some rejection wicks here. And to kind of give me the icing on the cake, we've got this double arrow confirmation. The MACD has given me an arrow and the BD arrow has appeared at the same time. So double arrow confirmation, MACD overbought, okay, and obviously the BD arrow at the top there. And I've gone for some nice, quick and easy trade. So if you don't know, this is my partner's blown account, okay? I gave my partner £100 to go off and do some trading. She ended up blowing the account. She took it down to around £7 or £8, I think it was. And then over the last couple of weeks, I've been making YouTube videos, kind of crawling it back, trying to build it back up slowly. As you can see here, the current month, so you can see here the previous month, so you can see here I've been pretty much all greens, trying to build it up slowly just for a bit of jokes, to kind of show you some live trading with the Binary Destroyer. I did do a video yesterday where I took some live trades. I showed you lot taking the trades. I didn't actually show you the results of them, but the results of them, as you can see here, are all green. So I took some sales on USD Chef and all of them hit take profit. I went for 5 pip, 5 pip, and then a 10 pip, and as you can see, all of them have closed nicely. Again, I've got some sales here, or there'll be open positions. Again, I've gone on this one. I've gone for, again, another 5 pip take profit. So hopefully I can scalp some more wins, and this account slowly builds up. I mean, if I can get this account back up to £100, that would be pretty amazing. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I can do that. When you build such a small account up like this, it's extremely hard, because if you have one loss, your account is pretty much gone. So yeah, you know, but so far, I mean, hitting all the wins. The idea with this is you've got to be really kind of on it. You know, you've got to kind of fine tune and get the perfect setups. And as you can see here, this is a really good setup. So let's go over some of the setups that's happened with the Binary Destroyer today. So we're just going to flick through the charts. We've got a nice little sell on the top on USD CAD. This is a beautiful setup, absolute beautiful setup. So again, clearly overbought on the MACD and RSI. You can see here, I've gone for an 80 and 20, but if I was on a 90 and 10, this would still be overbought. So a really nice sell on here. Again, stop loss above the high. 15 pip stop loss. This trade sitting at around 13 pips at the minute. So this should easily hit take profit. GP CAD. No signals on GP CAD. In fact, I've got one sell on GP CAD, which if I just move this over like there, I've got a sell on this one. I wouldn't take this signal here because the MACD hadn't crossed over then. I'd definitely take this one here. Again, stop loss 15 pips. This trade went to around 17 pips. So that one would have hit take profit. USD Chef. Okay, USD Chef, well, definitely got no signals here. These are in no man's land, as you can see here. MACD and RSI, nowhere to be seen. So no trades on that one. GPUSD, GPUSD should have hit take profit. Here we go. Come on, few more pips. Come on. Oh, literally, come on. 4.9 pips. Just give me one more pip. There we go. Nice. So my 100% success ratio continues. As you can see, I've got a few losses here, but that's my partner trading. This is how the account got blown. Look, you can see, look, this is my losses that my partner did. And then you'll see pretty much since then, I've been trying to build it up back up. You can see here, there we go. Those are the blown losses. Let me just make this bigger for you. So you can see here, she got the account up to £149. Okay, so she did quite well. Then from £158, she literally just blew the entire account. And then since then, you can see here, okay, since those losses, where is it? £10, here we go. So £10, £10, £9, £6. So the account went back down to £6. And then since then, I've just been building it back up. £7, £7, £8, £8, £9. And we've now just touched over £11. So I started this account on £7. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've made £4. Okay, and hopefully, touch wood, I can slowly build that up. So let's have a quick look on some more results. Okay, NZUSD, no real setups. Okay, Euro USD. Okay, some nice setups here. Again, notice how the MACD is filtering out those setups here. We wouldn't take this one because, again, look at the MACD, hadn't crossed over. This one here might have took you out. Let me just zoom in. Okay, yeah, so this one here, you might have entered on this one here. Okay, you might have entered on this one. You would have got took out on that one, so that one would have been a loss, but we would have re-entered on this one at the crossover. Notice how we just crossed over there. We would have re-entered on this trade here. Again, stop loss of around 5 pips. This trade easily went 13 pips. So with this particular setup here, excuse me, this one lost, this one won. So I'd say we kind of cancelled each other out on that one. USDJPY, again, okay. Again, we've got, wouldn't have took these ones here. We wouldn't have took that one. I probably would have avoided those ones as well. We hadn't technically crossed over on the MACD. We had crossed over at the bottom on this one. So again, I probably would have avoided this one, this one, this one, and this one, and would have took these ones here. I probably would have entered on this candle here. I probably wouldn't have re-entered on this one. Okay, so I probably would have took this trade here. Again, stop loss. Let's go over 10 pips stop loss. Again, easily hit 10 pips on that one. Okay, but you can see how the MACD filters out these setups. So this is a really, really great combination. And again, Euro USD, a nice little buy trade I took on Euro USD last week. You can see on the 10th of September. I actually shared this with the BD members. This is a nice little, if I just bring it up here, okay, a nice little break, okay, trend up, pull back, we enter here, and then just ride the trend up. I think I went for a 20 pip take profit on this one. Really, really good. So as you can see here, those are the setups today for the Binary Destroyer on a Tuesday. Let's have a look at the members results. Let's see how well the members have done today. So this is the VIP group, okay, and I'll just show you some of the results from the top. Okay, so we'll go down. Mark Ballin, again, Mark Ballin here talking about Forex. Let me just show you some of the heat. Mark has been killing it with the MACD and RSI. Okay, have I got a sound on this one? Oh, here we go. I can press play. Oh wow, look, I've just noticed, look at...
Jamie didn't want binary videos on anymore, which turned out to be an incorrect...
So you can see here, I'm just want to have a quick look to see if Mark has posted some results. Okay, look at them.
And then I'll sort of see how many I'll mark where I took the trade, which was here.
Okay, so he took some sells. He took some open, looks like sells, binary sells.
The pips for Forex. Anyway, we're about at the end of the trade. Binary trades are going to win.
Okay, so they won. There you go, some nice little, all closed nicely in profit. I've just had a quick look. I'm just flicking through some of the results here. Okay, this one is again from a BD member on Go Markets live account. Well, why is my webcam moving? There we go. So we've got some sales here. Okay, really, really good. Okay, some nice little wins. Okay, a lot of positive results from the BD members these last few weeks. Again here, okay, the BD on the mobile app, which is great. Danny Richards taking some trades there. Okay, let me find you some results. Here we go. Nice winner on USD just now, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So again, Danny's using that MACD RSI, and notice how he's actually using the signal arrows on the MACD. So he's got the MACD signal arrows on the on his charts. That's a really good setup, as you can see here. He says nice winner on USD, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, I'll find you some more. I'll find you one more setup and then we'll call that video a day. Okay, a lot of people asking questions. Okay, I want to find you a BD result. Here we go. So BD never fails to impress. Doing my July weekly review on setups and saw this beautiful form back in July on the daily. BD crosses over above the MAs and broke a strong 720 pips. Let me just have a look at that currency pair. So GPJPY daily. Let's find that trade. So GPJPY. Okay. GPJPY, there we go. Let's load up the bend strategy on the daily time frame and let's have a look at that. Okay, so there we go, daily time frame, and I believe it was set July. Did he say it was July? Hold on, let me have a look at this. Okay, in July on the daily. Okay, so July on the daily. Let's go back to the charts. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. You know what? I can't find that setup. I actually can't find that setup. I found this little setup though. Nice little break and retest. Look at this one here. This is a nice little setup on the daily. Okay, this is using the bend strategy. Okay, crossed over. The red moving average or TCA line is turned red, telling me trend change. So you can see here, red downtrend, green uptrend. So trend down, pull back, and our entry would be on here when we cross over on the stochastics. And I'll just give you a quick, this trade here, if we'd entered on the crossover, would have given us around a 520 pip move. So there you go, a 520 pip move, JPY daily time frame. So there you go. Hope you have an awesome trading week. BD's been awesome again, like usual. Have any questions, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.